Hi guys, thanks for the fill. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go live on this New Mutants 87 mini. Uh, Let me just refresh some of the stuff. Sorry. Yep. All right. We are live. We've got our local time of 12:20 here. 12:21, 12:21. Just flipped. And here's our list. 12:21 here. So we have our 39 names on here. All right. So we're gonna roll 3 dice. 7. It's 1. Top 2 spots. Take them spots. Ready, guys? Howard Green takes all the spots. Congrats, Howard. You got spot 1 and 2. Hold on. Oh no, top spot and last spot. So Howard and Joe. All right, and here's our verification. And your timestamp 12:22 here, 12:22 here, and we're gonna come back and we'll hit done at 12:22. Congrats.